Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Before starting a Mazda CX-5, complete a quick safety checklist. Confirm gear is in Park P and engage the parking brake to prevent rollaway. Verify the key fob is inside the vehicle or insert a mechanical key if needed. Close doors and fasten seat belts. Press the brake pedal firmly and hold it down while you prepare to start. Check instrument cluster for any warning lights such as oil, battery, or brake indicators, and address them before cranking the engine. With the key fob inside, press the brake and push the engine start/stop button once to engage the starter. The starter will crank, and you should hear the engine. Release the button when the engine spins and confirm the tachometer rises. If the engine does not start, repeat with the brake depressed for up to 5 seconds and wait a few seconds between attempts. If you prefer a quieter start, allow accessories to power off by briefly holding the start button without the brake for accessory mode first. If the battery is dead, use jumper cables to start from another vehicle and follow standard 12V jumping procedure, or use a portable jump starter rated for 12V systems. If immobilizer or key errors appear, cycle the key off and on or try the spare key fob and ensure the fob battery is charged. Turn the steering wheel slightly while attempting to start if the steering lock is engaged. Wait up to 10 seconds between start attempts to protect the starter motor and avoid over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.